Before we begin, I'd like to thank TD Bank for being our virtual programming sponsor, and thank you to the province of Ontario for their additional funding. We greatly appreciate your support. Today we are making a Dutch honey cake, which is also, you can also say white coke. That's Dutch. Anyway, this is my Oma's recipe, passed on to me by my aunt. It's a third of a cup of molasses for honey, half of a cup of dark brown sugar, and 1 cup of milk mixed together in this bowl right there. And the dry ingredients, which I have here, I will mix together. It's 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. All mixed together here like this. Now, we put it in a 350-degree oven in an 8x4-inch greased and lined loaf pan. So we're mixing this together. If it seems a little thick, you can add a little bit of water. Warm water is the best. Now, most people would be doing this with beaters, but since I don't have those here, I'm just hand stirring. But Dutch people like to eat this for breakfast. Slice it up, put a little butter on it. It's very spicy and very dense. So it goes in the oven